How to auto-scroll on TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your phone and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Go to the For You page where videos keep playing one after another automatically. Tap and hold your finger on the screen for a few seconds to open the Options menu. Wait for the menu to appear with different settings and controls. Look for the auto scroll option inside that menu carefully. Tap on the auto scroll option to turn the feature on. Release your finger from the screen after enabling the option. Watch as videos begin to move automatically without swiping. Keep your phone in a steady position for a better viewing experience. Let the app continue scrolling videos while you watch hands-free. Tap and hold the screen again. If you want to bring back the menu, find the option to stop auto scroll from the same menu. Tap on it to turn off the feature and return to manual scrolling. Update the app if you do not see the option because it may not be available yet. Thank you for watching.